kiddo. What does he want for your birthday?
I was thinking a dog.
Dog?
Cool. I like this one.
This is a dog. Danny.
We had to bring her back here. She had so much energy.
So disgustingly cute.
How much would you take for that dog?
She's not for sale. This is my room, Shelly. This is where we can play dress up. Come here, Ellie. I want to enter my dog in the race.
Well, sure thing, sweetie. Did you bring your dog with you?
Hey.
She's so cute. Your dog is too. This is handshake. You hold your hand out like this. That's really cool. Yeah, that's this one trick.
Y'all want to see a race?
Yeah!
Our fast little friend is a bit of a pushover.
You think she'll be able to race?
Oh, no, sweetie.
Why am I starting to like you?
Ladies,
We think Miss Merriweather may be trying to stop her from competing.
we'll see you all at the finish line.
Yes, we're going to the race!
Competition will be serious. And your technique must be unparalleled.
We just gotta stay on track.
We didn't cheat and you know it.
You're me!
This is very exciting.